Hey everyone, welcome back to CAPSA. Today we are going to break down the mechanism of beta-lactam antibiotics in a super simple way. This is going to be a great video for those of you taking notes, so grab a pen and paper and let's get started. Let's start with basic beta-lactam antibiotics like penicillin and cephalosporins are super important because they target bacterial cell walls. Why does that matter? Bacterial cells need their wall for protection, just like we need our skin. Without it, they cannot survive. Peptidoglycan is the strong structure that gives bacteria their rigid shape. It's made of sugar and peptide chains, the cool part, right? These chains are like the scaffolding holding everything together. Now, there is a real action. The transpeptidase enzymes, these enzymes link together the peptide chains if peptidoglycan to make the cell wall strong. Beta-lactam antibiotics stop these enzymes dead in their tracks. No cross-linking, no strong cell wall. So this is the key points for your notes. Beta-lactam inhibits the transpeptidase enzymes, also called PBP or penicillin binding proteins. You will see this come up in exams textbooks often. So what next? With a weak cell wall, bacteria cannot hold up against pressure from their own internal environment. They basically burst and die. This process is called cell lysis. This is one of the reasons beta-lactam antibiotics are so effective. Make sure to note it down. Weak cell walls lead to bacterial death. Not all bacteria are sensitive to beta-lactams in the same way. Why? It's all because different bacteria have different types of protein binding, penicillin binding proteins or PBPs. Some PBPs are better at resisting the effects of these antibiotics, which is why some bacteria can survive. This is a great concept to understand when learning about antibiotic resistance. If you want a deeper dive into that, let me know in the comments. So that's a quick wrap up for today's breakdown on beta-lactam antibiotics. I hope this helped you understand how they work and gave you some solid points for your notes. If this video was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe and definitely hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on our easy to understand science videos. See you next time on CAPSA. Thank you.